Howdy from Texas. I am Ma Shally, your pond plant and fishing gal. I installed this fish pond almost by myself. The link will be in the description. You will need at least one more person to help you, but it's really not that hard at all. You can find instructions on YouTube about how to put it together. It's super simple, but you will need a hand. But here are some helpful tips that you probably won't get anywhere else. Before you slide in the legs, before you do that, there's these little black rubber feet. You need to put those on first. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard. Also, when you order your tarp to go under the pool, and you absolutely need a tarp to prevent, grass from pushing up or other things that don't belong. So you need a tarp, but get it twice as big as the pool that you select. You could always cut off the excess. I got a tarp. It was too small. Even though I measured the dimensions, it was too small. Also, we get lots of mosquitoes, and it rained the other day. So I'm going to need to poke holes in this to drain the water for mosquito control. Before I fill up this pool completely full of water, I got to plug the holes that are meant for a filter. I don't use filters. Okay, this needs some silicone. Okay, I've got my plug that came with the kit. I've got waterproof silicone to seal it up. And of course, I'm going to make a mess. Let's see how well I do. Okay. Chris insists that I use gloves. That's probably a good idea. I don't want my fingers sticking together. Oh, okay. So here's the plug. And all I'm going to do is just put the silicone around here and stick it in. I've never done this before. Have you? Come out. Oh, we are. Gluey, gooey, 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 gooey. More is better, so I'm going to put on more. Ooh. I should have made a bigger hole. Ooh, I could smell the glue. Okay. Here it is. Let's try. Okay, it doesn't want to stay in very good, so I'm going to hold it here. Ah. All right. See, there's kind of a gap here. And it just won't stick down. Maybe I should use like super glue or something. But I'm going to try putting the silicone. I'm going to squirt some in there. Maybe I just needed more, huh? And see if that works. Oh, I just squirted it into the pond. Okay. I should have left my gloves on. Oh gosh, I just noticed because I was trying to put some more on. My bottle exploded. What else could go wrong? It popped out again, so I'm going to try some more. And it just doesn't. Oh, God. This is really fumey. Woo! Just doesn't want to stay down. There. Nope. I got it in there, but it keeps wanting to pop out. So I'm going to look online and get some of that waterproof tape, rubbery tape, and we'll try again. There we go. Oh, my stomach is growling. I want to eat. And we got more and more and more. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Woo, look at that. I need to cut that. Oh, well, yeah. Yum, 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 yum. I tried catching my fish to transfer them over to the new big pond using this. And you know what? They're really fast. I only got one, and that's the one that was, super friendly. I think I hurt his feelings. So I tried another method. I've seen a lot of people catching small fish using a plastic bottle. I wonder if it works. I'm going to try. Well, let's see what we got. No fish. But if you want snails, this is great. Oh, I tried a big net. Oh, there's a fish there. I tried a big net and none of the fish wanted to come up. But come back, come back. Okay, there's a little minnow there. Let's see if I can catch it. Come back. Come back. There he is. Oh, there they are. They're so happy. I'm happy together. All right. Those are the fish I caught. Aren't they awesome? So beautiful. Hey, pretty baby. You're happy now. You're not alone. Patience is a virtue. Dun, da, da, dun. I put this net in overnight, and I didn't think it was going to work. And so today I tried again. I was going to give up. Sprinkled some food in there, and I caught a perch. So I'm going to put it in the small pond because those fish I really need to move over because the water's way too shallow. Yeah, they're too big and the water's too shallow. It was okay when they were babies, but they're getting too big now. Okay, still have my doubts. I'm covering up this little pond with a shade cloth so the shallow water doesn't get too hot. A big shout out to a very sweet lady, Carol Smith. Carol. She is a member of my Facebook group called Frog Nation. We have a lot of fun there. Hey, and as always, keep on being you. Don't forget, part 2 is coming soon. Follow me for more. And I have a lot of short videos too. So check it out. Have a wonderful day. And yes, keep on being you. See you next time.